bonjour. So today we are going to learn very quick French salutations that we can use in a dialogue. So when you start a conversation in French with someone, you have to be very polite and start the dialogue by saying bonjour during the daytime or bonsoir during the evenings. Basically, French are very particular, they're very polite, and you cannot start a conversation with someone without being polite yourself, and hence you have to use bonjour or bonsoir in the conversation or starting a conversation. Next, you can ask someone how they are doing by saying comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? This is a very formal way of asking someone how they are doing. To a friend, you can ask ça va alors? Ça va alors? And you can reply to these questions by saying oui, je suis très bien. Non, je suis pas bien. So basically, you're saying yes, I'm very well. No, I'm not doing so well. And you follow up by saying merci, merci, which is thank you. Again, I'm stressing French people are very polite, so you do add a nice thank you by the end of your sentence. Okay, now the conversation is over and you're going to see someone after an hour or two. In that case, you'll say à bientôt or à tout à l'heure, which is basically saying see you soon. If you're going to meet that person directly the next day, you can say à demain, à demain. If this is the end of the conversation, you're not going to see that person for quite a bit of time, then you can say au revoir, which is basically goodbye. Au revoir et merci beaucoup.